She hiccups a lot and for prolonged. She never cries when she hiccups though. She's happy when she does. Did she stop hiccuping?
Because she wants to eat. She's smiling though.
She's still hiccuping. Finally, you got it.
Yeah, but please sneeze again.
Why? What? You didn't get it?
No, I was zoomed in too much. I didn't get her hands. I like it when she sneezes and her hands go all over the place.
Hey, we should get mine. I'm gonna download the songs.
Okay.